Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to recover old permanently deleted YouTube channel. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to simply open up Google Chrome or any browser. So after opening up any browser, you guys have to here simply search for youtube.com/support. So you have to search youtube.com/support. So after searching for youtube.com/support, here you guys have to simply tap on the search bar. Here you guys have to simply search for recover deleted YouTube channel. So after searching for recover deleted YouTube channel, it will provide you a form. Here you guys have to simply tap on the top left corner of 3 horizontal lines, which is options. So after tapping on it, here you guys have to simply scroll down and the last option is submit feedback. You guys have to just click on it. And here you guys have to just click on next. So after clicking on next, YouTube will provide you a form. Here you guys have to briefly state the issue, that why you deleted your YouTube channel and why you want to recover it. So after briefly describing the whole issue to YouTube, YouTube will review your report and will inform you through your Gmail account within 48 hours, and you guys can recover old permanently deleted YouTube channel in this way. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.